Hello students, I am Miss Vibha from Maa Kalyanika Public School, Pendra Road, Chhattisgarh. In this video, I am going to teach you class 4th maths chapter number 3. Yes students, chapter number 3 because already chapter number 1 and 2 we have completed. Okay, so chapter number 3 here is multiplication. Chapter number 1 we have done, that is place value. Chapter number 2 addition and subtraction. Yes, addition and subtraction we have done in chapter number 2. Now moving forward, chapter number 3 is multiplication. So multiplication students, this I will show you in this exercise 3.1. Okay, so first video of chapter number 3 we are going to proceed now. So see, so find the product. You have to find the product. Product means students, you should know the term product. Product means you have to multiply the given numbers. Okay, find the sum is given, like find the sum. Sum means you have to add. Okay, remember. Difference, find the difference. If difference is given, means students you have to subtract the number. Find the product. If question is find the product, means product students you have to multiply the given numbers. Sum is related to addition, difference, subtraction, and product means multiplication. So students, we have to find here the product means we have to multiply the numbers. Multiply is related to which term? You have to read the tables and then you have to find the product. Okay, so see students, question is 236. Okay, how to multiply? 236 multiplied by, this is the multiplication sign. Here I am writing the name of the chapter, multiplication. Okay, multiplication. So students, multiplication, the symbol used here is like this. Okay, so here is the multiplication sign. 236 multiplied by 4. You have to write 4 just below 6 because 6 is the ones place. So you have to write like this. Okay, remember. So now 236 multiplied by 4 means what you have to do students? You have to read the table of 4. 4 multiplied by 6, you have to write the answer here. Then 4 multiplied by 3, you have to write the answer here. Then 4 multiplied by 2, you have to write the answer here. So simply students, you have to multiply all the numbers one by one from right to left. So 4 6 you can change the order also. Means 6 4 also you can read and 4 6 also you can read. Okay, so 4 6 24. Okay students. So 24 is there. Now 4 6 are 24. Now 4 3 is a 12. 12 is there students and 2 carry. 12 plus 2. Don't multiply this number. This you have to multiply and 2 you have to add in the answer. So 4 3 is a 12. 12 plus 2, 13, 14. Okay, 14. 1, 4, 14. As you are doing carry in addition. Okay, now 4 2s are 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 1, 9. So 944 we have received as the product of this number 236 multiplied by 4. Okay students, I hope you have understood. Now we are moving to question number 5. Okay, so two questions I will solve from question number A for you. So now 1234 multiplied by 8. So students, how to multiply? See here now. 8 4s are, then 8 3s are, 8 2s are, 8 1s are. Or 4 8s are, 3 8s are, 2 8s are, 1 8s are. You can read the table of 8 or you can read the table of 4 here. You can read the table of 3 or you can read the table of 8 here. So you can interchange because like 2 3 are 6 and if you are telling 3 2s are, then it is also 6. So don't be confused. 8 4s are, 8 4s are students, 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24, 8 4s are 32. So 3 and 2 here. 8 4s are 32. Okay. Now 3 is carry. Now 8 3s are. If you are not doing the table of 3, sometimes you are confused. You can read 3 8s are. Okay. So 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24. 24 plus 3, 24 plus 3, 24, 25, 26, 27. 2 7. Okay. Now 8 2s are 16. 16 plus 2, 18. 1 8. The table which you are multiplying, just below that be in a straight column properly. Okay. Now 8 ones are 8. 8 ones are 8 plus 1, 9. I am multiplying 8 with 1, so I will write the answer here. 8 ones are 8 plus 1, 9. So students, 9872 is the product. Find the product is the question. So 9872 is the product of 1234 and 8. Clear to you? So find the product. So students, in this way we can find the product. So now moving to question number B. Multiply horizontally to find the product. Students, what is horizontally? Here students, it is arranged in column. So this is in column, and horizontally means simply in a single line from left to right. It is written. So simply you have to multiply and write the answers from right to left, and in that way we can find the product. See how to find. Okay. You have to multiply horizontally to find the product. Here also you have to find the product. So now start. 4 to 1. 421 multiplied by 3. So we will read the table of 3 with 1, then 3 with 2, then 3 with 4. Okay. So 3 ones are. We are taking this number, ones number. So we will write in ones place only. So 3 ones are 3. Then 3 twos are 6. Then 3 fours are 12. So no other number is there. So directly we will write 1 to 12. So 1263 is the product of 421 and 3. Clear to students? This is the first question of B. Now moving to question number 4. 610 multiplied by 9. So 9 with 0, the 9 with 1, the 9 with 6. We have to see the carry also if it is present. 9 zeros are. If we are multiplying with 0, we are getting the answer 0 only. 9 zeros are 0. Now 9 ones are 9. Then 9 sixes are. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36, 9 fives are 45, and 9 sixes are 54. So directly 54 we will write. Why? Because after 6 no other number is there. So we will write 54 directly. So 5490 is the product of 610 and 9. Clear to you students? Multiplication is very easy. Basic thing if you understand, you can solve the rest questions. Okay. Now 3790 multiplied by 8. So students, you have to read the table of 8, or these all numbers you should know. So 8 zeros are 0, 8 nines are 72. This only I was talking about. Here carry was not there, but here carry is there. So 8 nines are 72. 7 carry and 2 here. In rough I am doing here 72. 8 nines are 72. Okay. Now 8 sevens are. 8 sevens are 56. Once again read the table of 8. 8 ones are 8. 8 twos are 16. 8 threes are 24. 8 fours are 32. 8 fives are 40. 8 sixes are 48. 8 sevens are 56. 56 is there. Plus 7. 56. 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63. 63. We will write 6 as carry. Okay. Now 8 sevens are 56 is there. 56 plus 7, 63. Okay. Now 8 threes are 24. 24 plus 6. 24 plus 6. 30. 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 30 is there. So directly we will write 30. Why? Because already we have multiplied rest of the numbers and 3 is the last digit, and this we can erase. So the answer received here is students 30,320. So in this way horizontally you can find the answer, and in this way already written in column, so column wise you can find the answer. Means you can say vertically and here horizontally. So students, in this way you can find the product, and rest questions given in 3.1 already A and B is solved, but 1 and 5 I had solved. Rest questions like 2, 3, 4 and 5 I had solved, 6, 7, 8. You will solve by yourself. 1, 4 and 7 I had solved here, and rest whatever is given you have to solve accordingly by watching this number. And one more thing students, here 3 digit is multiplied by 1 digit. Example I had given you. And here 4 digit number is multiplied by 1 digit. And see here the difference in these three. 3 digit with 1 digit. Okay. Here also 3 digit with 1 digit. But here 4 digit with 1 digit. So in this way multiplication answers will be increasing if the digits are increased. So for this you should know the rules of the multiplication also. See students, if any number, rules I am telling you, okay. So if any number you are multiplying with 0, the answer is 0. Like 3 zeros are 0, 4 zeros are 0, 500 multiplied by 0 is 0. If you are multiplying by 0, the answer is 0. And if you are multiplying by 1, if any number is multiplied by 1, the answer is the number itself. Number itself means 5 multiplied by 1 means 5 ones are 5. Like that 500 multiplied by 1, it is 500. So in this way you should know the rules of the multiplication, and by knowing the tables you can solve the rest questions. So for that you should know the table for solving the multiplication chapter. So please learn the tables properly from 2 to 20. Thank you for watching.